I was part of the session on Arts for Feminist Funding, and I found that it is really important to make the case about the relevance of art as part of our interventions to create a feminist future. In the session, we hear about specific cases that really inspired us and showed how art can really make ways in spaces that are very difficult otherwise.
We were able to convey what we wanted to convey, and also the participation from the audience was really nice. The questions were meaningful. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया कि उन्होंने वही बात पूछी है जो पूछना चाहिए. उन्होंने लंबी बातें, they wanted to know what the panel wants to say. So मेरे लिए ये सबसे बड़ी कामयाबी है इस सेशन.
Then change ends when the curtain falls, and the true transformation happens because of the work that happens before and after. All the countless rehearsals, the safe spaces where women can first find their voice.
So we're talking about 117 million euros. So that's thinking 100.
And I just attended this brilliant session coordinated by Dr. Najab, which had Dr. Leena and Silla and Danish, who spoke about how art can be integrated into conversations to change people's mindsets and to even fight social injustices or build climate resilience. Resonated with a lot in terms of what we see happening in the subcontinent, in India as well. And it was just so full of hope to see how art in different forms, theatre, music, poetry, and then just getting these spaces for women and children and young girls to come together can have a transformative effect on our society. So thank you for organizing the session.
Theatre specifically stood out to me a lot, and I thought it was really interesting. And I'm also very excited to possibly collaborate on something with Danish, because I was so inspired by using theatre as a vehicle for change. I think the aspect that local stories are used, scripts are written based on local context, the local communities involved in the performance art. I think that's the most innovative part of all of this. That's something that I've never ever come across, even among progressive circles that do theatre for communicating political ideas and all. But nobody has ever really done community में जाके involve होना and taking stories and performing their stories in front of them with their actors. I think that was really powerful, and that's something that stayed with me, and it's something I'm taking away with myself as well. Yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to attend.
So the history of storytelling in South Asia actually predates the written language itself. In the region for centuries, storytelling.
So we just got done with our panel discussion, and I had a lot of gratitude for young change makers, and I really appreciate the work that they're doing. It's a really wholesome feeling to represent the young civil society in Pakistan and a feminist cause.